just 7 months old. Vegas knows just where to bite the gate that keeps him confined. At 6 months, Paisley, a lilager, races lightning fast at another animal in an adjoining enclosure. The big cats are just doing what comes naturally, even though they're still cubs. And the fact that they're wild animals is precisely the reason their former owner, Jeff Lowe, is in trouble with the law. The events that led to Lowe's arrest began when animal control and city marshals descended on this Las Vegas home on Natalia Court. When the city served a search warrant in November, they impounded a tiger, a lilager, and this lemur. According to vet records, the 2 cubs were sick. As part of the plea agreement, Lowe has to surrender the animals and pay $10,000 in restitution for their care. In April, Lowe appeared before Las Vegas Judge Cedric Kearns via video link from jail, in custody for failure to appear at a previous court date in the same case.
There's accountability issues.
And he took a deal, pleading no contest to doing business without a license, and got a suspended jail sentence and stay out of trouble order.
That means no illegal activity, including animal violations.
Here's what led Lowe to court in the first place. He kept his exotic cubs at a home he rented near Tropical and Rainbow, charging a fee for private interactions with the baby animals without the required permits or inspections. On his website, he was also advertising the Jungle Bus, which would pick people up on the Strip and take them to a top-secret hideout to play with tigers. Animal welfare advocates tipped off animal control.
And our big concern here is that they're breaking the bond between mother and cub, and they're putting the well-being of the animal second to their ability to make money off of them.
The city's vet records show Vegas and Paisley were both underweight when they were discovered by animal control. Both had severe diarrhea, UTI infections due to fecal contamination, giardia, which can be passed on to humans, and pancreatic conditions requiring lifelong treatment, which they will get in this southern Nevada sanctuary. And the animals weren't all that was taken from Jeff Lowe's house.
And so I'm aware of the firearms. You got ATF problems. I'm not even comfortable with him on the street, period.
This city property report shows marshals impounded multiple semi-automatic handguns and rifles at Lowe's home.
The firearms belong to another...
No, Mr. Lowe, don't talk about the firearms at all.
After his trouble in the city, Lowe moved to this home in the county near Ann and El Capitan. County Animal Control tried to make contact with him about more exotic animals in that house, but Lowe told us he'd already gone back to his home base in Oklahoma. Lowe wouldn't talk on camera. Over the phone, he acknowledges he still comes to Las Vegas, but said it's just to do private parties with lucrative celebrity clients. He says he still rents homes here and admits he brings tiger cubs into hotel suites by rolling them through casinos in suitcases.
And if you're deliberately doing it wrong, you don't want anybody to know what you're doing.
Keith Evans is the owner of Lion Habitat Ranch.
Cattle get bigger and there'll be an incident.
See, so when they're this size...
Video of Lowe on Facebook contradicts what he said to us on the phone. He told us he bottle feeds his big cats from birth and no one is more knowledgeable about them than he is. When they get too big, he says he retires them to his USDA-licensed Greater Wynnewood Exotic Animal Park in Oklahoma, where he says they live safe and healthy lives. But the video, shot by a British media company, shows Lowe being mauled by one of his lions.
Nope. Get out.
I mean, I didn't think he was going to kill me, but you never do, you know. He was a bottle-raised baby, and just today he just wasn't in the mood to be played with.
After the attack, he adds,
let's not let the guests see the blood.
Lowe is currently under investigation by the USDA, and controversy has followed him for years. Lowe says he also exhibits animals in Las Vegas on private plains and tribal land where he claims the long arm of the law can't reach him. He calls our local laws overreaching and reactionary, saying the entire system out here is anti-business and corrupt. Darcy Spears, 13 Action News.